Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. For today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove crosstalk on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, or you can of course go and download the app. And now guys, you need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates. And here we have the workspace. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile and the new project button, which you can go and click on here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove crosstalk on Descript. So first launch, of course, you listen to the audio. So firstly, you need to go and create a project with audio. So new project, audio project, or of course, if you have one, you can go and import it. Then listen to the audio and identify the sections where crosstalk occurs. Right click on the timeline and choose edit sequence. This is also to separate the audio tracks of different speakers. Use the cut tool, scissors icon, to remove the unwanted sections of crosstalk. You can drag the edges of the clip to adjust their length. Then make additional adjustments as needed to ensure the audio flows smoothly without interruptions. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.